Good morning, year one, and I am going to teach you another phonic sound today. And today we have got oi, 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 toy for a boy, toy for a boy, oi, toy for a boy. And it looks like this. Two letters that make one sound are called special friends. Well done, year ones. Two letters that make one sound are called special friends. And this is special friends, oi. Oi. We have got the letter O and the letter Y, and together they make the sound oi. Oi. Toy for a boy. Good job. Oi. Two letters that make one sound are called special friends. Well done, year ones. When you see this sound, you point and say, found you. This is oi. Remember, you're looking out for oi. I, A, Y, E, K. Found you. Oi. We found oi. Good job, year ones. Let's try this a little bit faster. W, A, X, Sh, U, Qu, E. Found you. We found oi. Good job. Let's try it once more. R, ow, or, j, o, z, ch, I, a, y, v, e, Found you. We found oi. Well done. Now I have got some green words here and they have got our sound in today. So remember, we need to do special friends, Fred in our head and read the word. Special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Enjoy. Special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Boy. Special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Toy. Now I have got some more words here, and what we need to do is special friends, Fred in our head and read the word. Special friends, Fred in our head, read the word. Fair. Good job. Special friends, Fred in our head, read the word. Shout. Good job. I have got some more words here. We have to special friends, Fred in our head and read the word. Special friends, Fred in our head, read the word. Spoy. Special friends, Fred in our head, read the word. Treek. Special friends, Fred in our head, read the word. Shoom. Last one, Fred in our special friends, Fred in our head, read the word. Flog. Good job, year ones. Now we have got our red words. Let's see if we can read them. My, he, put, the, I, of, No, your, my. Ooh. Good job. Well done, you ones. Now we have got a sentence to write. And the sentence that we are going to write is, Fred Fingers ready to count our words? The boy had a toy to enjoy. 7 words are in our sentence today. The boy had a toy to enjoy. Pinch with me. The boy had a toy to enjoy. 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 Tell your grown-ups. Tell me. Good job. Let's clap it once more. The boy had a toy to enjoy. Good job. So for this sentence, we need to remember we have got a capital letter, and the capital letter in this sentence is the letter T. We need a finger space. Good job. And a full stop. We also need to remember that we are including our special sound that we are learning today, which is oi. Good job. Let's recap our sentence once more. The boy had a toy to enjoy. First word, the. Good job. That's our red word. Remember, we can't sound it out, but we know what letters make the. T-H-E. Then we need a finger space. Good job. The boy. The oi, which is our sound that we are learning today. The boy had. We can use our sounds for had, a, d. Good job. The boy had, finger space, a. Good job. The boy had a toy. T. Oi. That has got our sound that we are learning today. T. Oi. Good job, year ones. The boy had a toy. Red word 2. Good job. The boy had a toy to enjoy. 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 It's got our special sound that we're learning today. Enjoy. And at the end of the sentence, we need a full stop. Good job, year ones. Let's read it once more. The boy had a toy to enjoy. Take a picture. Going to rub it out now. The boy had a toy to enjoy. Now what I would like you to do is to write that down. Get your grown-ups to take a picture and send it to the teachers in school so we can check it. See you tomorrow.